Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix Wi-Fi not working on Windows 11, 10, 8 or 7. So you can use this method in every version of Windows. Firstly click on start. Now here type settings and open settings. Now guys you have to click on network and internet, then click on advanced network settings, then click on network reset. Now guys you have to click on reset now and make sure once you reset you have to reinstall other networking software afterwards like VPN client software or virtual switches. And also guys you can re-enter your Wi-Fi or Ethernet password. So just click on reset, and once you reset successfully you need to restart your PC or laptop. Hopefully guys after restart you can fix Wi-Fi problem, and after restart still you are facing problems, so you can try this second method. Click on start and type cmd and right click on command prompt and run as administrator. It will ask permission, so click on yes. Now here type command sfc space slash scan now. So guys type this command line and press enter. Now guys it will take couple of minutes, so complete this scanning, and once you complete this scanning process close it and restart again. So hopefully guys after restart you can resolve Wi-Fi not working on Windows PC or laptop. Thanks for watching guys. Please comment this method work for you or not.